Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about Maria de Estrada. As always, if you need more information in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites, including Amazon.com, if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. Maria de Estrada is the only foreign woman who fought as a conquistador in the conquest of Mexico by the Spanish, thus achieving legendary status even in her lifetime. Little is known about Maria's childhood, other than she was born in the late 1400s, a Jew, back when Jews and Arabs were being expulsed from Spain. Some accounts believe she was raised by gypsies who baptized her, changing her name from Miriam Perez to Maria de Estrada for having been found at the side of the road, or Estrada. If so, it's believed that it was from her gypsy contemporaries she learned how to fight. Maria traveled to the New World, perhaps with her brother Francisco de Estrada, a conquistador that has served as Christopher Columbus's cabin boy. Or maybe she was expelled for a crime. Being sent to the New World on a one-way ticket was a common punishment for female criminals in her day, as a way to get European women to the Americas. Maria's ship sank just off the coast of present-day Cuba. She survived and lived for 5 years as a slave, becoming the first European to successfully adapt to indigenous life in the Americas. Later rescued when the island is conquered by the Europeans, Maria moves on to Santo Domingo, which at the time was the only Spanish colony. Maria fell in love and married Pedro Sanchez de Farfan, a bestie to Hernan Cortez, who was living off the island at the time. Despite the bond of friendship that linked her to Hernan Cortez, he never once mentions her in his writings, but does always try to help her husband Pedro. Pedro and Maria joined Cortez in his expedition to conquer Mexico. Eyewitness memoirs place her fighting with the conquistadors as the only European female soldier present. Maria is described as being adept at both hand-to-hand combat with knives and on horseback with a spear. Cortez gave Maria and her husband several extensive land grants in what is now the state of Morelos. A land grant by the Spanish crown to a colonist conferred the rights to demand tribute and forced labor from the indigenous inhabitants of the area. When she was widowed, Maria de Estrada then married Alonso Martin, and one of the first civilian settlers in Puebla. Maria died in 1527 in Puebla around the age of 40, a victim of cholera. Buried in the vault of an old church, where the atrium of the Puebla Cathedral stands today, her remains were lost when the church was demolished a quarter century later. By 1561, Alonso's many children from a previous marriage were fighting over the inheritance from Maria. Instead, the land was annexed to the King of Spain, since neither Maria nor her first husband had any surviving descendants. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and get instant notifications of new videos that come out almost daily here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.